These cute felt animal videos are going viral on TikTok right now and attracting millions of views online. The surprising part is that most of them are actually generated with AI, and the creation process is much easier than you might think. So in today's video, I'll show you how to create adorable AI cute felt animal videos using ChatGPT and Edimakor. All right, no more wasting time. Let's jump straight into it. Step 1. Get the prompts first. Open ChatGPT and paste the prompt template I placed in the description into the chat box. Then hit enter. ChatGPT will automatically generate 10 creative felt animal video ideas for you. You can either select one of the numbered ideas or type in your own custom concept. For this tutorial, I'll choose idea number 1 as the example. As you can see, ChatGPT instantly generates both a detailed text-to-image prompt and an image-to-video prompt for us. Step 2. Create the image. For this step, we'll be using Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Simply visit the official website, download the software, and install it on your computer. First, launch Edimakor and click New Project. Then go to AI Image, Image Generator, Text to Image. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Google Nano Banana 2 model. Next, copy the text-to-image prompt generated by ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. After that, adjust the resolution and aspect ratio, then click Generate. After a short wait, your AI cute felt animal image will be created automatically. Step 3. Generate the video. Now go to AI Image, My Creations. Select the image that Edimakor generated earlier, right-click it, and choose Image to Video. Edimakor provides a variety of advanced and powerful AI video generation models. You can experiment with different AI models and compare their outputs to find the one that best fits your creative style. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Kling 3 AI model to generate the video. After that, paste the image-to-video prompt generated by ChatGPT into the prompt box. Then set the duration and mode before clicking Generate. Let's take a look at the final result. It looks incredibly adorable. Step 4. Export the video. Finally, move to the top right control panel and click Export to save your video. If you successfully upload your video to YouTube and include Edimakor's tag, you can even earn extra credits from Edimakor. And that's everything for today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.